Good thing that I discovered this product from Live Balance.
If you have got problem like me, and ala, kasama yata ni Babe. Ito lang haliit yung bag ko and kasha siya like.
Hi guys! Good morning! Today is Friday, June 7, 6 o'clock in the morning. And nandito ako ngayon sa pantry kasi magpe-prepare na sana ako ng breakfast ko. But before ako mag-prepare ng breakfast, i-share ko lang din sa inyo yung recent discovery ko. If madalas kayong nanonood ng mga vlogs ko, alam nyo, start ako kumain ng overnight oats, I think last month. And super nakatulong talaga siya sa overall health ko. I have been struggling with bloating and constipation, also regular bowel movement. Laking tulog talaga na nag-start ako mag-overnight oats since ingredients na ginagamit ko is rolled oats and chia seeds, which are both rich in soluble fiber na nakakatulong talaga siya na pa-regulate yung bowel movement ko and also my metabolism. If you're wondering kung paano ko pinaprepare yung overnight oats ko, I'm gonna put the link somewhere kasi na-vlog ko siya sa isang video. Nga lang, medyo time-consuming ang pag-prepare ng overnight oats since I have to prepare it a night before ko siya i-take the next day. Minsan, dahil sa pagod and puyat, sometimes wala na rin akong time mag-prepare. Hindi na rin ako nagiging consistent to take or to eat overnight oats. Good thing that I discovered this product from Live Balance, their Enzymes Jelly, which is perfect for on-the-go girlies like me because you can bring this anywhere and everywhere. I take this every morning with an empty stomach. It has 2,500 milligrams of chia seeds, which is rich in soluble fiber, which helps to improve your bowel movement and metabolism. And it has patented fiber, 80 plants enzymes, which helps to remove your bloating. It also has Yersinia kombucha and white kidney beans, which helps to control appetite, fat formation, and block absorption of carbohydrates. So ever since na-discover ko talaga ito, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. And yung flavor niya is mixed berries, so I really like it. And ang maganda pa dito, once you take it, after 6 to 8 hours, is magpa-flash out na talaga lahat ng kinain nyo. And no to bloating and constipation talaga with this product. This is a better alternative, lalo na kung nagmamadali kayo, you just have to put in your bag and then you're good to go. So in one box, it contains 5 jellies, which is perfect for every day because you only have to take 1 jelly per day. Yes, once a day lang. Also, this is FDA and halal approved, so very safe talaga siya to take. So if you're struggling with constipation and bloating like me, you should try this kasi makakatulong talaga siya, especially if you have gut problem. So I'm gonna leave all the details and the link on the description box below if you guys interested.
Hey guys, so this is the next day. Today is Saturday, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko tinitake yung Enzymes Jelly from Live Balance. Recommended na i-take to with an empty stomach every morning. Morning ko siya tinitake, pero minsan nakakalimutan ko, nakakain na ako before ko siya maalala. But it's okay kasi you can take this jelly any time of the day. Make sure lang na if you're gonna take it, 30 minutes to 1 hour before your meal or 1 to 2 hours after your meal. The reason why is para lang mapabilis yung absorption niya sa ating body. Since it has enzymes, after 6 to 8 hours is makakaramdam ka na talaga na pag-poop. But in my case, after 4 to 6 hours is nararamdaman ko na nagpo-process na siya sa aking digestive system. But anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys how I take this. At recommended kasi nila na if you're gonna take this, uminom ka ng water. But sa ako kasi, okay lang kahit hindi ako mag-water. Kasi gusto ko yung flavor niya, which is mixed berries. So ito yung itsura niya. I don't know if you guys can see, pero yan na, runny siya na jelly. What I love about this kasi, it has chia seeds, guys. Kita nyo na meron siyang chunk ng chia seeds. So, mangunguya nyo siya once kinain nyo siya. Sobrang sarap. Kung pwede lang akong kumain ito ng 2 or more, kakainin ko siya. Pero syempre, hindi rin recommended na kumain ka nito ng more than 2 kasi since it has enzymes, baka mapadalas naman tayo sa CR. So, once a day lang. There. Pero, pwede kayo uminom ng water after dito. Para din faster absorption. Pero, okay na ako kahit walang water. Yeah. If you have gut problem, like me, and constipation and bloating, suggest talaga to try this product from Live Balance Enzymes Jelly. Ala, kasama yata ni Babe.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan running round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
We're done. No na. Hey guys, tatapos na namin manood na Inside Out. So, hello guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa... Asan tayo, love? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Venice Grand Canal. Say hi, love. Hi. So, kakatapos lang namin manood ng Inside Out 2. And sakto kasi wala masyadong tao dito sa part ng Venice na to. So, ganda. So, later magpipicture kami. But anyway, habang wala pang masyadong tao, let's do a what's in my purse. Parang pinost ko siya and ni-repost or ni-IG post siya ng CLN. So, doon ko lang nalaman yung pangalan ng bag na to, which is Riley. So, I got it as my Christmas gift for myself. Anyway, let's begin sa what's in my purse. Of course, my phone. Meron ako ditong first pouch. So, dito ko nilalagay yung mga makeup essentials ko for retouch, blotting paper, may powder, and then I have 2 lip products for today. True Satin Lip Bullet. Di ko alam yung shade niya kung paano siya basahin. And Easy Bonnie Cool Baby Pink. Breath spray. A mirror. Power bank. Ito, nabanggit ko naman to mga to sa what's in my work bag. So, ito lang yung smaller version. Ito yung madalas kong dalhin kapag lumalabas kami ni JP. So, power bank. Wallet, of course. So, meron akong malaking wallet from CLN as well. Pero hindi kasi siya kasya dito sa bag na to. So, tinatransfer ko siya sa smaller wallet na nabili ko from TikTok shop. So, dito lang yung ID ko and then my cards and cash. A pocket tissue. Never mawawala sa akin kasi pawisin ako. So, I need a pocket tissue. Then, next is house keys. Last but not the least, collagen jelly from Live Balance. This is the Live Balance collagen jelly. So, if you guys don't know, I suffered from acne during pandemic and isa talaga sa tulong sa akin is mga collagen drinks. May era nung pandemic na nauso yung mga collagen drinks. I've tried a lot of different type of collagen, liquid man or powder. But I can say that this collagen is the most convenient for me. Plus, no need na itimpla and you can bring this anywhere. Like, ngayon, kasya sa bag ko. Like, ganito lang kaliit yung bag ko and kasya siya like, shoot ko lang siya sa bag ko and then I'm good to go. It has 4 types of collagen, which is type 1, type 2, type 5, and type 10. Not only that, it also has hyaluronic acid, which helps for hydration, and elastin that maintains skin elasticity, silk protein that maintains high collagen level in our body. Also, last but not the least, crystal tomato for UV protection. Perfect, lalo na ngayon na summer and sobrang init lalo na dito sa Philippines. But doesn't mean na porket meron na tong UV protection, hindi na kayo magsa-sunblock. I still do have acne marks, pero after trying this for a week, medyo na-notice ko na nag-lessen yung appearance ng dark acne marks ko. I noticed na meron siyang a bit of glowing effect lalo pagkagising. Also, na kung napapansin niyo yung hair ko sa mga previous videos ko, dry siya, pero ngayon medyo healthy and smooth and manageable siya because of also the collagen. Since it's 2 o'clock, tapos na rin kayo mag-lunch and it's time for me to take this collagen. Ito yung itsura niya. It's orange. Flavor of this collagen jelly is orange. So, pero advisable or recommended na i-take kapag nag-take kayo nito is uminom kayo ng glass of water. Pero at the moment wala kaming water, pero it's okay kasi masarap naman siya, hindi naman siya yung ganun maasim. So para lang ako nag-dessert with it. You should try this, guys. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Say hi. Hi. Bye.
And it's all